Hey everyone, Justin from Framer here, and today I'm sharing 10 shortcuts in Framer that'll supercharge your productivity. Hit Command-K on your keyboard to activate Framer's Quick Actions menu to create a page, component, find plugins, or search for any tool in Framer's arsenal. Hit L after selecting an element on your canvas to quickly add a link. Editing a component? Well, this shortcut will add an interaction instead. 2 for the price of 1. Navigate from a child layer to its parent easily by hitting the escape key. Throw it in reverse and go from parent to child by hitting the return key. If you need to quickly grab the parent of an element, just hold Command and click, instantly selecting what you need. Love that button styling and want it in more places throughout your design? Use Option-Command-C to copy the style and Option-Command-V to apply it to other elements on your site. Navigating nested layers can get tricky, so to move selected layers without accidentally selecting other layers, just hold Option-Command and drag anywhere on the canvas. Problem solved. Hold Option while dragging on the canvas to grab only the layers fully inside your selection box. No extras, saving you time and selecting only what you want. Ready to test your design? Hit Command-P to instantly open the preview window and see it in action. And finally, when your updates are ready for the world, hit Shift-Command-P to publish, shipping your changes instantly. And that's it. 10 shortcuts to save time, stay organized, and enhance your design workflow. Let us know your favorite in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more Framer tips. I'll see you in the next one.